Hey everyone, um, what a quick lesson that we're going to have on coastal low pressure system, geography grade 12. Um, I'll be fundamentally speaking about one of the vital concepts on coastal low pressure system that usually come out during exams. Explain each and every concept effectively. I'll try by all means. Okay, I'll just touch on very important things that you have to know, right? Yes, so that I don't confuse you. So it's going to be very quick, okay? Quick lesson. Okay, coastal low pressure system. I hope you can see. Everyone can see, yes. Okay, so coastal low pressure system, um, as you can see, okay, we have blowing winds from the land, and we have the also blowing winds from the ocean to the land. Okay, yes, from the land to the ocean, and from the ocean to the land. We have these two types of. Okay. So let's assume it's winter. Let's assume it's winter. You know that in winter, the Kalahari High is dominant in the interior of South Africa, right? And so that's the reason why maybe it's going to make a lot of sense to you, okay? Because also, coastal low pressure system is also associated with the occurrence of mid-large cyclones as well as back winds, okay? Yes. So, because in the systematic weather maps, whether there's a situation of mid-large cyclone or this low pressure system, there will be cold fronts and there will be this low pressure system, right? In the east, okay? As you can see, in the east, okay? In your synoptic weather maps. So yeah, let's assume it's winter. So, in winter, Kalahari High is dominant, causing these warm, dry winds to blow through or to the ocean. Okay, yeah. So this is the West Ocean. This is the east side. This is the East Ocean. Okay, the warm Mozambique current, the cold Benguela current. Okay, in the west. So in the west, there will be these invading warm, dry winds. Okay, warm, dry winds invading the Western Ocean. So when they invade there, mind you, the Western Ocean is very, very cold. Okay, it's very cold. Yes, it's quite obvious that each and every ocean, okay, when you compare the temperature when you're close to the ocean or when you're in the ocean or you in the continental region or in the land, there would be differences. Okay, if maybe today it's 28 degrees Celsius, when you move close to the ocean or to the ocean, you'll find out it's 3 degrees lower, which is maybe 25 or 24. Okay, yeah, I'm just making an example, which is true. Okay, so these warm dry winds will blow to the ocean, causing warm drier conditions in the ocean. As also you can see that there are also, okay, in the ocean there are droplets, okay, water droplets, because you know the ocean is made of water, okay, plenty of water. So if you can stand through the ocean and see through, you can see that there is whitish layer that is the limit for you to see through, right? Yeah, so that's water droplets. Okay, yes. So these warm dry winds, they invade there and cause what? And still the humidity, okay, and still this humidity or these water droplets, because you know that warm air has an ability to acquire humidity in a very, very quick way. Okay, yes. So in this way, this will cause this cold, moist air, okay, that is in the ocean, Western Ocean, to make this humid, warm air to rise. After rising, mind you, the process of this air invading the ocean is still continuing, right? Yes. Then it will cause these winds from the ocean to blow to the land. Okay, yes, causing it to move in a clockwise direction. Okay, yes. So when it moves from the ocean to the land, we call them the onshore winds, okay? Yes. So the onshore winds will be resultant, causing soft soaking rains, causing these sea breeze, causing drizzling weathers, and. So we still talking about in the Western Ocean or in the western coastal regions, okay? Yes. So the coastal areas are going to be impacted. The coastal areas in the west are going to be impacted by this coastal low pressure, okay? Coastal low pressure system. How? They are going to receive these soft soaking rains, drizzling weather, and. But since we're talking about the east, the west now, west is very, very cold, also being influenced by the ocean, as I mentioned before. So there will be also foggy, very, very foggy weather conditions, okay? Yes, that are brought by this coastal low pressure system in the west. So it's going to move in a clockwise direction. As it moved in a clockwise direction, moving from west to east, as you can see the path. Okay, so this is the path moving from west to the east until it arrives there, maybe just after approaching your PE or Galefa, it's slowing down. Durban, Richards Bay, I think at Richards Bay it ends there, okay? Yes. So all of the coastal areas that are in this path are going to be impacted by the weather conditions that are brought by this coastal low pressure system, which is drizzling weather, soft soaking rains, and. So mind you, it moves from west to east. It formed in the Western Ocean, okay? Yes, and it has landed to the Eastern Ocean, which is the warm Mozambique current. Okay, so mind you that yeah, I think I told you everything. Yeah, it moves in a clockwise direction, right? Yes, moves in a clockwise direction until it reaches the east part of the ocean. So one of the things that you have to know that are very, very important, vital stuff that you have to know. Number one, in South Africa, coastal low pressure system occurs in winter and in summer, in both seasons, okay? Yes. I told you how it forms, I told you the process, and I told you where it lands, okay? So you have to understand the offshore winds. As I told you, offshore winds, these are the warm, dry winds from the land, from the Kalahari, down the coast, okay? As they move from the Kalahari down the coast, you know that they increase the temperature, meaning that the temperature increases by 100 meters, right? Yes. So, yeah, that's how it goes. So they cause warm, dry conditions in the ocean. That's number two. Number three, you have to understand the onshore winds. Onshore winds are sea breeze. These are the winds that are from the ocean to the land, okay? Taking this moist air, blowing it to the land, causing these soft soaking rains, and, okay? Yes, I hope you get it, guys. So offshore winds, I told you, blow from the land to the ocean. Onshore winds from the ocean to the land, moving in a clockwise direction. So they work together to cause this clockwise movement from west to east, okay? From west to east until they reach east. Also, the formation of clouds. You know that the formation of little clouds that are going to cause, that are going to send these or cause these soft soaking rains, okay? Yes, little clouds, okay? Not real clouds, but little clouds, because there's some evaporation due to difference in air temperatures, okay? Yes. There will be a low pressure, by the way. That's how it goes, okay? Yes, causing these clouds, causing these soft soaking rains. Drizzling conditions, okay? Yes. But look, now, let's talk about this. Yes, drizzling conditions mean that wetter conditions in the coastal regions, or in the coastal areas, your East London, your Gqeberha, your Richards Bay, your Durban, your Western Cape, your PE, your Knysna, and. So, there will be differences in type of, yes, the type of weather is the same, but the differences in weather conditions, if you look through roughly or you contemplate about it, because in the west, as I told you, it's very, very cold. So there will be very foggy, or there will be fog in the west, in the western coastal areas, okay, because of the influence of the ocean. Is very cold, right? Yes. So when these winds from this ocean blow to the land, they cause fog. But in the east, there is warmer conditions, yes. So there will be just moist air, warm moist air and so on, okay? Yes, warm moist air, yeah, causing drizzling conditions also. I hope you get my point, right? Yes. The last one is the movement. They move from west, as they form there, from the west to the east in a clockwise direction, from west to east. Yeah, that's how it goes. So please, again, don't confuse the two, coastal low pressure system as well as the mid-large cyclone. Okay? Yes, coastal low pressure system. It's a low pressure system also, as well as the mid-large coastal low pressure system. That's the common thing that they have. Please don't forget to subscribe, right? For more contents. I'm going to make more. I'm going to produce more. I'm going to produce more revision. Okay? Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe, right? Yes. Cheers. Have a great day.